salvation.
To you, O Lord, I lift up my soul.
Good and upright is the Lord. He shows